Electric fences are essential tools in agriculture for managing livestock and protecting crops. Constructing one requires careful planning and safety measures. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, gather necessary supplies. You'll need a fence charger, posts, wire, insulators, a ground rod, and connectors. Select the right charger based on the length of the fence and the type of animal you'll be controlling. Chargers vary in power. Ensure yours is adequate for the distance and purpose. Next, plan the fence layout. Determine where the fence will be placed around your property or field. Make a note of any corners, gates, or steep terrains that might require additional support or adjustment in wire height. Start by installing the posts at regular intervals, typically around 20 to 30 feet apart. For durable fencing, use pressure-treated wood, metal T-posts, or fiberglass. Corner posts should be strong and properly anchored. Attach insulators to each post to prevent the wire from touching the wood or metal directly, which would short-circuit the fence. 2 or more insulators may be needed for each post depending on the number of wire strands you decide to run. Lay out the wire by threading it through the insulators along the posts. Use high-tensile wire for strength and durability. If you're enclosing small animals or keeping out wildlife, you may want multiple strands spaced vertically. Once the wire is installed, it's time to set up the grounding system, which is crucial for an electric fence's efficiency. Install the ground rod near the charger and connect it using a grounding wire. At least 1 or up to 3 ground rods are recommended, depending on soil conditions. Now, connect the charger to the fence and ground rods. Make sure the charger is plugged into a power source and verify that it's working properly by testing the voltage with an electric fence tester at several points along the fence. Finally, maintain your fence regularly. Check for vegetation touching the wire, which can reduce the effectiveness and ensure all components are in good condition. Safety note: always read and follow the instructions specific to the electric fence charger you are using to avoid injury or damage. Electric fences should only be set up by individuals who understand the necessary precautions and electrical safety rules. With diligence and care, your electric fence will serve as a reliable solution for managing your property and its inhabitants. Subscribe for more videos and tips.